A very good morning to my dear student. Today we are going to do cursive and for, after and before and Hindi reading. Okay children, so please bring your Hindi book, cursive copy and your maths copy. Okay, and let's start the cursive. Yesterday we have done till Q. So today we are going to do R and S. So let's revise the phonic sound and you all will say with me. Okay children? Let's start from alphabet A. So everybody say A says E, B says B, C says K, D says D, E says E, F says G says G, H says H, I says E, J says J, K says K, L says L, M says N says O says O, P says P, Q says Qu, R says R says and S says S. Okay, so today we are going to write R and S. But before writing that, we will practice the last letter because some of you have still confusion in P and Q. So we will revise both the letters today and then we will write the new letter. Okay, so everybody bring your cursive copy and let's start with your cursive. So first of all, we will put date. So it's 26.8.20. 26th August 2020. Put C.W and we will learn to write P. Okay children? So what we have to do for P is we have to put a straight line like this. Okay. And then turn this little curve and go up and touch this line and turn. Okay children? So this is P and P says P. Let's write one more time. See, one line, curve, go up and this is P. So what we basically did, we have come down like this, then take a little curve, go up and then curve. Okay, so this is P. What we have to do is straight line, curve, go up and then P. This is P. Alright, let's do it one more time. Straight line, curve, go up and P. This is P. Okay, let's do it on the lines. Straight line, curve, go up and turn. This is P. Now we are going to do Q. See, there are two ways to write Q. First is we have make a C, go up like this, come down again and this. One way is this. We can write Q like this also, and one is start from the blue line like this, curve and make a O, come down and make a Q. Now it's up to you which one you like, which is easier for you, you can do it. Okay, one more time. I am making this one. So like this you have to go up, see, then come down, make a circle, come down on the same circle and make a tail. That is Q. So P says Pa and Q says Qua. So today we are going to learn R. R is very easy. It's like P. So what we have to do is, we will start from the pink line, come in a straight line, go up like a P and then make a tail like this. This is our simple. Yes? Okay, one more time. We will start from the pink line, come down, touch the blue line, curve, go up, make a P and then do like this. R. One more time. Straight line, go up, curve, P and R. Don't make it like a big. This is wrong. I don't want a big stomach. Okay, so make it a small stomach. Okay, one more time we will do straight line, go up, make a P and then R. Okay, easy. Let's make S. So R says R. And now we will do S. So how we will write S? See, it's like a small S. A slant line go up. Now a little curve come down. Make a S. This is S. Okay. Now one more time. A slant line will go up. Curve. A big tummy and this is S. Okay, one more time. Slant line, go up, make a curve, a big tummy and round. So this is S. Okay, children? Get it? Now we will write. So S says S. Okay? Now we will do after, before and after numbers. Before means pehle. After means baad mein. For before we have to do backward counting and after we have to do the sequence counting. Alright. So everybody make write PO2, PO2, PO2 in your copy. So children, you must have written TO2, TO2, TO2 in your copy. T means tens and O means ones. Now I will give you the numbers and you have to do it. Okay, so here number 1, put a dash, write 4, 2, 42 and dash. Okay, now number 2, dash. Which number you want now? Let's do 4, 8, 48 and dash. Okay, now number 3. Number 3 dash, 3, 5, 35 and dash, and the last number is 4 dash, that is let's take 32. Okay, so do this in your copy, look at these formation, do send me the pictures. Okay, and stay at home, take care, bye bye.